G'day legends, welcome back to Troopy episode 5? I don't know, it's getting crazy. But, most recent update, haven't filmed any of it, really, no. We got some 6-inch LED lights and some Sirocco fans installed on the inside. Quick glimpse of those bad boys. 1, 2, and we've just gotten the Troopy back yesterday from getting a 12 volt lithium setup installed by a professional, an auto sparky, because as I said in the last video, don't trust myself and we need reliability when we're out there on the road. So I won't show you guys that yet until we finish the build. I'll do a complete rundown, but today I'm using my afternoons because we need to get as much done as possible because the weekends keep going by. But yeah, so this afternoon I'm gonna get into rear barn door drop down table. I'm gonna start out by cutting a rectangle out of here. I gotta have a look into it because behind that is the spare tire mount and I don't want to ruin the structural integrity of that rear mount. So try and take out as much as I can without voiding that kind of thing. So we'll get into that. Alright, so I've taken the leap and cut it out. Daunting, I know, but some things got to be done and we need as much storage as we can get. So yeah, but I'm glad. One thing about the spare wheel mount is it runs completely top all the way to the base of the door on both sides, all the way down. So that is structural primo. So yeah, obviously it's not huge, but yeah, as I said, you got to get as much storage as you can when you're living on the road. So yeah, now to get into measuring up the panel and the compartments. If the neighbours ever see this, I'm sorry. They must hate us. I hope that was as amusing for you as it was for me. But yeah, after some, so it's almost dark. So I've been measuring for quite some time now, but I've decided I'm going to add another little nook. I'm going to cut this out right up here for cooking oil. Just a spray can. I'm just going to make a little nook just to fit a spray can. That's it. You know, it's the little things. But yeah, you know, so I've measured all that out. Get it cut tomorrow afternoon, and then get that bad boy cut out, and yeah, get back into it tomorrow. Day 2, legends. We are getting back into it. I've cut out my little nook for the cooking oil, and I've cut all my pieces for the niches, the little nooks. So this afternoon I'm going to get all them shot together, glued up, put together, and then paint her up, and then move on to attaching it to the door and getting the drop down table on its hinge, and hopefully we can get it all done this afternoon, because I don't know why I keep doing this, but I keep organizing camping and like modifications and stuff within the same week. So like now I'm pushing to get this done today because we're going camping tomorrow. So hopefully we can get it done today, and yeah, we'll be sweet for the weekend with a new table. Hopefully. Let's get into putting it together. There we go. Pieces all cut and nailed together. Bit of a mission getting them actually nailed together. I obviously don't have the right equipment. Probably would have been easier with like a stapler to staple them together, because it's 7mm for the backboard and the niches. My drop down table is going to be 12mm, but yeah, I'd definitely suggest using something else, because I split some of the ply trying to nail it, so a bit awkward. But finished product so far. Now I just need to give it a bit of a sand and some paint. Niches are in, and then we'll get to installing it on the door. Alright, it's getting late, but we've made some progress. We've got most of it on. Little bungee cord, clip, piano hinge, Bono's special, 600mm long. We're pretty close to being finished, but next step is I need to create some sorts of system to stop it from going all the way down. And I thought of something. So luckily enough, on the old build there was some rib nuts already inserted into the top of the door here. So I've got some 4mm bolts. They're going to hold the top of my hinge, cable, whatever, and I'm just going to screw the other end down. So I'll get that done and then I'll show you. G'day guys, it is obviously the next morning. Last night I got a bit tired by the end of the night last night, so I just threw the towel in, but we ended up getting the table done. So I've got my demonstration model here to show it off.
Jamie built this last night and I get the pleasure of demonstrating it.
Dun dun.
So we just unlatch.
It's still a bit tight because it's new. Not bad.
So we have this little nook for our oil and spices. It all fits perfectly, and salt and pepper.
Not bad.
So now we can cook and use the fridge, and we're also going to put a little table underneath here that pulls out as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that concludes the rear barn door fold down table. Yeah, and then we still need to get Max Track's fold down table because that'll be really handy for me. I'll probably use my barbecue on that.
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
This is big enough for the double burner to fit on, but just, yeah, the Max Track's table will probably be better.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that probably wraps up the end of this video. We're all packed up, ready to go camping for the weekend.
Yep, going to Inskip Point.
Inskip Point with the dude. Millie. Yeah. She's keen, ready to go. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we'll wrap it up there. Thanks for tuning in again. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.